Imagine a police chase where the cops can keep up with anything on the road. Well, in some parts of the world, that's already a reality. Today, we're going undercover to explore the most advanced police car fleets on the planet. We'll see cutting-edge tech, incredible performance machines, and the forces that utilize them. Stay tuned and smash that like button if you want to see these high-tech police vehicles in action. Subscribe to the channel for more explorations of the coolest things on the planet, and share this video with anyone who loves a good cop car. Number 4. USA. Muscle on the streets. In the land of high-speed chases, it's no surprise the U.S. boasts some intimidating police cars. For city streets, iconic muscle reigns supreme with the Dodge Charger Pursuit. This beast features a wraparound grille, perfect for executing pit maneuvers and stopping fleeing vehicles. Off-road action? The Ram 1500 Special Service vehicle tackles any terrain with ease. But let's shift gears and check out our two favorite American police cars, the Chevy Tahoe PPV. This versatile patrol car features a rear camera mirror, ideal for canine units with obstructed views in the back. Plus, infrared cameras let officers see through the darkness using heat signatures. And for added safety, the driver exit auto park feature automatically stops, shifts into park, and sets the parking brake when the officer exits the vehicle under specific conditions. The Lenco Bearcat. This armored powerhouse comes in various configurations, ready for any situation. Need to extract a civilian from a dangerous situation? The Bearcat's armored shell can withstand gunfire, allowing officers to approach and rescue civilians with minimal risk. During civil unrest, the Bearcat can be outfitted for crowd control, deploying non-lethal deterrents to disperse unruly mobs. And for those rare occasions when a fire breaks out, the Bearcat can even be equipped with firefighting equipment, allowing officers to extinguish small fires while awaiting the arrival of fire trucks. Number 3. Japan. Manga meets reality. Don't let the sleek looks fool you. Japan's police cars are no joke. These pursuit vehicles are serious crime fighters, blending high-tech gadgetry with iconic Japanese performance. The Lexus LC500. This 471-horsepower machine with a roaring V8 engine is perfect for high-speed chases on Japan's highways. Its sleek, aerodynamic design cuts through the air with minimal resistance, and its advanced suspension system provides exceptional handling for tight corners and switchbacks. For legendary performance, there's the Nissan Skyline GTR. A true icon of Japanese automotive engineering, the latest R35 GTR specifically combats street racing, ensuring justice is swift. Its twin-turbocharged engine delivers earth-shattering acceleration, leaving even the most souped-up tuner cars in the dust. The fleet also includes a squadron of Nissan Z Nismos, adding some extra muscle. These modified sports cars provide a perfect blend of power, agility, and iconic Japanese design. Their unmistakable silhouette strikes fear in the hearts of criminals and commands respect on the streets. But wait, there's more. Japan's police department even utilizes the Honda NSX. A legend reborn, the Honda NSX boasts a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a hybrid drivetrain that produces a combined 270 horsepower. This innovative combination provides exhilarating acceleration while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency, making it a well-rounded choice for patrolling city streets and highways alike. The Subaru Impreza WRX. Don't be fooled by the unassuming appearance of these Subarus. They've been specifically modified for police duty, featuring upgraded suspension systems for sharper handling, more powerful brakes for superior stopping power, and high-performance tires that deliver exceptional grip on any road surface. These WRX patrol cars are the perfect blend of practicality and performance, ready to chase down criminals through tight city streets or winding mountain roads. Number 2 is Italy. Forget about your criminal mastermind fantasies if you're thinking of operating in Italy. The Italian police, with their elite Carabinieri military arm, boast a fleet that's as awe-inspiring as it is intimidating. Alfa Romeo Giulia QV. This 503-horsepower beast can rip from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a blistering 3.9 seconds. To ensure officer safety, it's been upgraded with a bulletproof windshield, side windows, and shatterproof rear window. Front doors are armored and the fuel tank is protected as well. This is a high-performance pursuit vehicle that leaves criminals in the dust. Alfa Romeo Giulia Radio Mobile. Need a heavily armored response unit? Look no further than the Giulia Radio Mobile. This car packs B4 level armor for maximum protection, along with 2 electromechanical weapons carriers and even a single-person prisoner cell. It's a mobile police station on wheels, ready to handle any situation. Confiscated exotics. Italy takes a unique approach, using confiscated luxury cars for good. A stunning Ferrari 458 Spider, once a symbol of criminal gain, now serves as a police car, a powerful reminder that crime doesn't pay. They don't stop there. The Italian police also have a 560-horsepower Lamborghini Gallardo, a Lamborghini Huracan, used for a life-saving organ transport, 2 Lotus Evora SS coupes. Number 1, UAE, the pinnacle of police performance. Dubai and Abu Dhabi hold the undisputed crown for the most extravagant police car collections globally. These aren't just fast cars, they're rolling testaments to cutting-edge technology and pure automotive luxury. The fleet of dreams. Imagine a police force with a garage consisting of a Ferrari FF, a Lamborghini Aventador, a Bentley Continental GT, and a Bentayga. That's just the beginning. Add a Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG, a BMW i8, a rare Aston Martin 177, and the legendary Bugatti Veyron. This list goes on, making you feel like you've stepped into a real-life Need for Speed game. Tech powerhouses. But these supercars aren't just about show. They're loaded with advanced crime-fighting tech. The Dubai Geth Smart Patrol car exemplifies this perfectly. Imagine a 360-degree camera with 8 additional surveillance cameras, all feeding into facial and license plate recognition systems. Inside, a powerful computer connects directly to the central command center, while a driver behavior camera monitors officer actions. This is a mobile surveillance and command center disguised as a supercar. And with plans to add 400 more Geths in the next 5 years, Dubai is serious about staying ahead of the curve. Abu Dhabi's arsenal. Abu Dhabi isn't far behind, boasting a fleet that includes a Rolls-Royce Phantom for VIP escorts and a Nissan GTR for high-speed pursuits. But the crown jewel is the Lykan Hypersport. This 740-horsepower monster boasts a 0-to 100 kilometers per h time of 2.8 seconds and a top speed of 395 kilometers per h. If you're caught by this on the run, consider it a high-speed ride, albeit under arrest, to the station. So, there you have it, folks, a look at the world's most advanced police car fleets. These are some seriously souped-up machines, but what do you think? Did your favorite police force make the cut? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like this video if you want to see more incredible vehicles. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest content. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who loves fast cars and keeping the streets safe.